instructions. 荷物は近くの収納場所に入れます。荷物を持つと通路を塞ぎます。Carrying baggage will block the aisle. Move quickly away from the aircraft. どうぞごゆっくりお過ごしください。We wish you a pleasant flight. Station. Travelers who have fallen ill.
Where is everybody? It is so quiet. I'm literally the first person off my plane. Enter through immigrations. I have nothing to pick up. Now, where do I go? I believe I need money. Let's go find money. Here it is. Exit B1. Get on all the trains you can desire. We're going to the Skyliner to head straight to Ueno. There it is. Oh, this is way too easy. First thing is to fill up my Suica card, which is around here somewhere. You'll see this thing that says Skyliner, which you want to take to go to Ueno. But before you do, you really need to get a Suica card first. So you come out, and then for those that don't want to use the 500 yen deposit, you come here to the welcome Suica card and you add cash to it. You can use a credit card. But for me, I use Chrissy's card. But if you want to be able to use it for like 10 years, you come right here. You get a Suica card, pay 500 yen, and you add money to it. I got 0 left on my card.
処理中です。カードを動かさないでください。チャージが完了しました。
上野駅行きたいんですけど、
はい、電車は今まっすぐ行ける電車はスカイライナーです。次の電車はそうですね。こちらの2つはまだまっすぐ行ける電車がまだ今この時間にはないので乗り換えなんです。
get on this train, you can buy everything with a Suica card or divide half with Suica and half with the ticket. I don't know why exactly. But I am supposed to go on train car number 3, seat 2A. It's like a 40-minute ride.すみません、忘れました。切符を入れたんですけど、これを1300入れたんですけど、
1300円と、あとはね、このね、
そしてこれもやりましたけど、遅かった。入れなかったんです。ごめんなさい。はい。これ。
ここで生産していいですか？ここでお金もらえますので。
OK。
はい、どうぞ。はい、ありがとうございます。
Oh, I was just so lost. Okay. What I see
Mais ça existe encore? C'est là,
supposed to be here. Where is she? Such a walkable city. I love it.
もう一度だけ何回もやろうそういう目でよ
Want to take a picture from here, guys? But the park's over there. It's like that way. I didn't realize the picture's up on that sign. Oh, they're a little risque.